my channel. It's your lovely girl Anastasia and welcome back to another girly video in this lovely channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you what I bought actually from Egypt, 𝐜𝐨𝐥𝐥, Egypt. If you didn't know, I went to Egypt for holidays for 6 days. If you didn't watch my travel vlogs, I will have them a link down below. I did 6 vlogs. We had so much fun. We saw the dolphins, monkeys, penguins. We did safari with the camel rides, Bedouins tea. It was such an experience and I would definitely do that again. But I think this is just once in a lifetime. And yeah, so I got so many traditional and so many amazing things that I will never forget from 𝐜𝐨𝐥𝐥. Actually, 𝐜𝐨𝐥𝐥 is like a very tourist area for like summer tourist area. It's a very summery destination if you want to go. It's such an amazing place, and if you want to book a lot of activities to do, I suggest you Travelino. Is one of the best sites that you can choose and you can book your trips. We went to the submarine, we saw the fishes, we saw the dolphins, we did safari, and we also went for diving. Yeah, I did diving for the first time in my life. Actually, Egypt has the most amazing ocean. It's, I think, the second best ocean to explore. It's in Egypt. So yeah, I went to the best for the diving. It was very magical, all the corals and different style of fishes and colors. More pictures on my Instagram down below. So yeah, definitely suggest you to go to 𝐜𝐨𝐥𝐥 Egypt, and I suggest you to go with your boyfriend or with your girlfriend, but with a good company, because this trip is not romantic, it's just for having fun. So I suggest you to go with like 4 of your friends. If you want to see travel guide for Egypt to help you and choose the best places to go in 𝐜𝐨𝐥𝐥 and book how you can book your activities from Travelino and all the kind of things, tell me down below in the comments. So yeah, before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell down below to have notification every time I upload videos on this lovely channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on TikTok for girly videos and posts and pictures. So first I'm going to start with my favorite, that is this one. This is an Egyptian perfume. I did it. I did this perfume. This is so unique. I did this perfume. No one else had that. It's like that. It's this royal spray buffer perfume. And the smell is Egyptian vanilla and herbals, something like that. It's so yummy. Literally, I want to eat this. This is insane. Atomizer perfume. It's such an amazing bottle. Look at this. So Egypt. The smell reminds me so much of Egypt. I would definitely keep the bottle when this is empty, but I'm gonna leave a little bit here so I can smell it and never forget the smell when it's gonna be done. So it's such a pretty, and of course I went with pink. So cute. So next I'm gonna continue with the piece of jewelry. Of course, it's Egypt. Of course I'm gonna go with piece of jewelers. All the market, it was full with this kind of jewelers, and look at that. So you can see it the way they are. I'm gonna have here a video with my back camera that it's better. So it's gold with silver and of course pink. They're just the perfect jewelry, the perfect piece of jewelry, very Egyptian. I will remember them forever. Like, I had to get this. Just love. I'm so happy that I bought this. So I got a lot of magnets because I love magnets. First, I got this magnet with the camel and there says 𝐜𝐨𝐥𝐥. I got this with papyrus. This is real papyrus, you guys. You know, the traditional Egyptian thing. And there says Egypt, is backflip because of the camera, and there is camel. Such an amazing magnet, like very Egyptian. Next, I got this one that says Egypt, again backflip, and it's white with gold. They're the pyramids and the pharaoh. I love that. I got this huge pharaoh It's actually really big, like, look, it's all my hand. Next I got this. It's a camel with the Bedouin. This moment is actually very real in my head right now. I'm gonna have the video. Like, I saw it in real life. This is insane. So yeah, it's just an amazing memory. I will definitely never forget that. And also, this is actually a gift from a guy from one of the souvenir shops that I got something that I'm gonna show you later. He gifted this to me because he said I had a really pretty eyes. He was really nice. As you can see there, and there's this Egypt, and it's gold. It's so pretty. Would definitely put them on my future fridge one day when I'm gonna have my own house. This is gold, and it's a camel with the Bedouin. Oh my god, it's such a pretty. It's very big actually, and I'm so happy that I bought this. I'm so thankful that I made this decision. I was thinking a little bit about that, if I had to do it or not, but it's so pretty, and thank God that I bought this. So it's a camel with the Bedouin. Actually, the magnet that I had in a statue. Yeah, really pretty. And of course, I went to Egypt. I had to get papyrus. This is a real papyrus, you guys. Papyrus. I don't know how you said that in English. I think it's the same. Papyrus. So I got this real papyrus, and this is symbolized. There is a meaning behind of this picture that symbolize love, family, money, and strong, to be strong. And yeah, they really believe of this, like about luck. When you have this in your house, they definitely believe about good luck. They have so many symbols of good luck and so many things that I'm going to show you that I got. They told me, if this is for good luck, this is for family, this is to be strong. So yeah, I got this papyrus. I'm going to put this in a frame in my future house one day, yeah? And symbolize family, love, work, and all the good things actually. So I'm happy that I bought this. Now that I'm talking about symbols, I'm gonna continue with all this. So I got plates. They're not all of them for me. There's some of them for gifts. So I'm gonna start with the first one. That is this one. It's actually, this is a plate. And as one guy told me at the souvenir shop, they're actually miniatures of the real ones. That the real ones are huge, and they are in the pyramids. Actually, like Egyptian symbol. They have it everywhere. If you're gonna go to an Egyptian souvenir shop, you're gonna see this. It's full of plates in Egypt. So every souvenir shop that I went, I bought one of these because I couldn't resist. Like souvenirs of each country and town that I go to. At the back is actually like a map. This is where I went for diving, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna show you later on in a map. So I got this one. This is actually hand painted, and this is symbolized wife and husband, actually couple. It's not only for wife and husband, this is for couple, for good luck of the couple. So I got this for our future house again. So this is symbolized us, and it's real gold hand painted. It's such a lovely plate to have. So this is ours. This is for my dad. Same thing, but this is symbolized family, strong, love, work, and money. Pretty. Also hand painted. So I got this one that I need to open this. So I got also the big one for me and my boyfriend that also symbolized the love of the couple. So we got two. We got one big and one small to have it like that. And I also got this. This is symbolized money. So I got this for my grandma. Also at the back there's like a map. And also I got another one to give it to my mom. So yeah, this is all the plates that I got. I got a lot of them. And there are also stands for each one. So for each plate, and they're standing like that for decoration. So also from Dolphins Park, I got this USB, and there are our photos from the dolphins. So yeah, so you can see the photos on my Instagram if you want, but this is the way that you can take the photos from the dolphins. They give you like USB with the photos inside. This is a map that we got when we went for diving at Ras Mohammed, and then we went to White Islands. So this is Ras Mohammed, so we were there. From there, we traveled all this around 6 to 8 hours. We went to a submarine. We saw a lot of fishes, so they gave us this. Look how many fishes there were underwater. Look how many fishes we saw. Yeah, all this. And there are the meanings for each corals, and it was very helpful for us because when we saw one fish, we searched for it and saw what fish is it, and tells everything. This fish called langnose, but they call it as Angelina Jolie because it's the prettiest fish in the ocean, and we actually have picture with it. What I also got that I forgot to show you is this magnet. It is actually Egyptian pound, 200 Egyptian pound, and it's magnet. This is the way that there were the pounds. So it's actually a very cute magnet to have, to always remember how the pounds, the Egyptian pounds, looks like. Also, I want to show you this. It's just an empty bag, but this is it's like souvenir because look, it's a pharaoh. There says 𝐜𝐨𝐥𝐴, and there says I love 𝐜𝐿. Yeah, it's just an empty bag from a souvenir shop, and I got this. So next, me and my boyfriend, we love to have souvenirs, as you saw. We love to have a piece and a memory to always remember the place that we travel to. So we have also a lot of scratchbooks. So we have a scratchbook for Paris, England, and we have so many scratchbooks, so many. So of course, we're gonna have one from Egypt, but we also found one from Egypt. What? So we got it. Full of leaves and a papyrus. It's actually leaves and papyrus. It's handmade, as you can see at the back. And it's just a photo album that we're gonna attach our pictures. We already gonna do a scratchbook, but when we saw it, this is a more Egyptian scratchbook that we can do. So we got this. We're gonna put all our activities, all of our memories, so we're never gonna forget Egypt. We're actually in love with Egypt. So next I got this one. So they're actually kitchen towels, but each one has like pyramids, pharaoh, camel, and Nefertiti. Nefertiti, I think it was the wife of the pharaoh that days. So it was actually a very nice souvenir to get. It was one of my first souvenirs that I bought from there, and I want to open one because I didn't open any. I'm gonna open the pyramids. Oh, they're so cute! For our future kitchen. I love having that. I love building my own house slowly by slowly with full of memories. This is a point, right? To make a house full of that. I want to show you this one. This is actually a perfume bottle. It's wrapped up because, you know, I travel with this. This is actually, again, a gift from a guy from a souvenir shop. Not from the same guy with the magnet. This is another one. Actually, the people from the Egypt, they are very kind. Very kind. He filled it for me with Egyptian perfume. This is the old perfumes like that. It smells so nice. It smells so nice. And he gifted this to me. Like, how cute. I love everything about Egypt. Like, the people there were very kind, very generous. and so much hospitality. So that was the video, you guys. That was what I got in Egypt. I got so many traditional things actually. I didn't shop something. Traditional things, magnets and statues and plates and jewelry, you know, yeah, and perfumes, of course, Egyptian perfumes. Like, I'm in love with this one. I think that was a video. Tell me down in the comments if you want to see travel guide for Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt. So I really hope you love this video. Please, before you leave, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell down below to have a notification every time I upload videos on this lovely channel. Also follow my Instagram and my TikTok for girly videos and photos. So I love you all one by one. See you again in my next video. And don't forget to watch the vlogs from Egypt.